Hello!
Hello world. We are currently out here in the Ventana Wilderness. It's called Los Padres National Forest. So today we're going to be doing something a bit different than we normally do. We are going to hike up to the top of Cone Peak. It's the steepest coastal mountain, so it's 3 miles from the top of the mountain to the ocean. So hopefully we get super scenic views along the ocean and also into the Ventana Wilderness behind. We have our mountain bikes along with us because it's a 6 mile bike ride up to the trailhead, 3 mile hike, and then a super sweet 6 mile bike ride down the mountain. We'll see you shortly.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, I'm done. Sometimes, with the downhill parts, that's no joke.
That's no joke.
Oh, hey guys. Just checking in real quick. We just rode up the hardest hill I've ever ridden up on it.
I died.
She did die. This is reincarnation. This is the Buddhist version of Danielle. She came back to be Danielle again. Ta-da!
Oh, kill me again.
But real quick, I just wanted to show you this view we're looking at right now. That's the hill Danielle died on, right over there. You can kind of see the trails it runs back across and then back down to the car. The ocean's way over that hill. You can't really see the ocean though, it's covered in fog and clouds. But at least it's really nice up here though.
It's hot.
I don't know how far we are. I keep telling Danielle we're like halfway, 3/4 of the way there. No idea, I don't remember.
About a mile and a half?
Mile and a half left. Or 3, I don't know. Yeah, but nice to see you guys again. We'll be checking in shortly, hopefully at the top, if Danielle makes it. See you guys.
There's the ocean.
See it? It's the white thing down there. It's covered up down there. It must not show it on the GoPro, the cameras these days. But it's there, I promise. Alright, upward and onward.
Yeah, you go. I'll be right behind you. Oh my god, the bugs are so bad. Bye. I'll stay here in my campground. Bye. Yeah, I have lunch here. Bye.
Oh hey guys, look who made it.
Oh my gosh, barely.
This one.
No.
It was a close call. I almost left her a bunch of times.
I almost let you leave me.
Just kidding, she did great.
It was intense.
But look at where we are. We made it to the top of Cone Peak. So did all the bugs.
There's a lot of bugs.
It's insane. Check it out. So all that cloud is all coastline / ocean, as far as you can see. That's the Ventana Wilderness. That's heading south on Route 1. All of this is the ocean. This is all the Big Sur coastline. Danielle ate a bunch of bugs. Real talk, she ate a bunch of bugs.
Get my protein.
Yeah, she's like, I'm hungry. I was like, you've been eating bugs this whole time.
We're up here enjoying a beverage.
Yeah.
Cold dogfish.
Carry these all the way up here just
Yeah.
for this panel. Yeah, so it's about 8 miles up here, 6 miles biking. I thought that would have been easier, but that turned out to be really hard.
It was really loose ground.
They just graded it, so it's like super
It was like
duper loose.
biking uphill on the beach.
Yeah.
With a rocky, sandy beach.
So yeah, pretty ideal, I think. I was into it. The downhill is also going to be just as sketchy though,
Yeah.
right? Super
Yeah.
sketchy.
It's gonna be sketchy.
I'm into it though. Alright, well, we sincerely appreciate you guys checking in with us. We will polish off these beers and then,
Back down.
yeah, we'll see you at the bottom.
Here's a sweet spot you could go camping. Next time I'm gonna bring a tent. Just tell Kenny to leave me up here. Hey, just checking in. We just took a little break off the side of the trail. While we're sitting here enjoying the views, please enjoy a word from our sponsor.
Hello, beer drinkers. Do you enjoy a solid hike? Do you enjoy being out in the wilderness? Well, so do we. And the people at Dogfish Head enjoy doing the same exact thing. We are currently standing on the top of Cone Peak, the beautiful coastline of Big Sur. You might be asking yourself, how did you get there? How did you get all the way up there to the top of that peak? Well, we fueled our bodies with electrolytes from this delicious Dogfish Head Sea Quench Ale Session Sour. Not only does this beer have electrolytes, it is also jam-packed with lime juice, with lime peel, black limes, and sea salt. You can use all those electrolytes to hike all the way up here to see all this wonderful wilderness. And it can do the same for you. We highly recommend it for all you active beer drinkers out there. So do yourself a favor and find this at a local beer distributor near you. Because I know I certainly will. Perfect. Water is for wimps.
Just kidding, we don't have sponsors. We actually sponsor them. But
So much money.
we still enjoy the beer, so.
Such good beer.
All right, back to it.
We didn't die.
I almost died.
Yeah, she wasn't feeling it, but she did it. She did this whole thing.
I did the thing.
It's insane. It's like 18 miles.
It was intense.
Yeah.
Wasn't quite ready for it, turns out.
Yeah, I was scared for this whole time we were gonna drive or like pedal up into the fog, into the clouds.
No.
But that didn't happen at all. We pedaled down into the clouds.
Look at this.
What happened? Yeah, we had to put more clothes on.
Yeah, we went from being really hot to really cold.
But it was incredible. What was your favorite part about the trail? Being done. She's like being back at the car.
There were lots of pretty wildflowers.
True.
I mean, and the views are very beautiful.
True.
So.
Yeah. What'd you learn?
That I can do it.
She did though. Like it was pretty surprised.
Mountain biking is not my strong suit.
No, but like.
And neither is hiking, let's be honest.
Yeah, drinking wine and beers.
And eating pizza.
Cheese. Those are her things in order. But no, this is fantastic. I'm glad you guys came along with us. Got to see our adventure today. I guess we are done here.
Yep.
So we will catch you on our next adventure.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
See ya.